The U.S. imposes tariffs on Canada, driving silver up. How long will this last? We're going to talk about that on this morning's Gold and Silver Updates. Let's get started. Good morning, everyone. Happy hump day. We finally made it to hump day, middle of the week, just 2 more days until we have a weekend, everybody. Happy coffee. Good morning, good morning, good morning. From my living room to yours, if you're new to this channel, you're just watching it, we want to say thank you, all of us, one big family on this channel. To you, thank you for watching the video and the channel, everybody. So, hey, once again, as I always say, it's always a great time to buy silver and gold. Big news, everyone. The United States slaps 50% tariffs on Canada. Are gold and silver included in this? We're going to talk about that in this video after our gold and silver updates or during the gold and silver update. It just depends on what comes through my brain and out of my mouth, everybody. Forewarning, I am a chatterbox. I love to talk. It's like I'm just imagining my viewers, my viewers, sitting right across from here, and we're talking about gold and silver and life in general, right? So that's how this channel is. We're a different kind of channel on here, everybody. I'm sitting in a different chair today, so I kind of look a little shorter, but that's okay. It's comfortable. So happy coffee. And once again, thank you, all of my viewers all over the world, all over the United States. Guys, Pennsylvania is now in amongst the top viewers on this channel. We got California, we got Texas, we got Florida, then Pennsylvania, then New York. So congrats, Pennsylvania. You've pushed out New York. I wish we could get Oklahoma involved in this. Oklahoma has very few viewers, but if you're in Oklahoma, thank you so very much for watching us where I live, my home state, and we appreciate you so very much. So let's get moving. What happened? Wow, silver is up at least 6%. Gold's up to $4,117. It's made a big push since this last Friday, since close of last Friday, everybody. If you're new to the channel, you'll see me reach over here and hit this pause button. It's because I have allergies and I don't want to blow my nose in front of you, right? Or burp. Oh my gosh. But hey, man, gold's making a comeback. Silver's making a comeback. You know, gold at $4,117. Silver, $59.37. Platinum's on the rise. They're all on the rise, everybody. $1,650 on platinum and palladium at $1,289. It's funny how I used to do the funniest comment or the comment that made me laugh or go, okay, well, it still is kind of every day because I get some, you know, when you start getting new viewers, you start getting more comments. So the one that really got me the other day on Monday is they said, is all you do is just read what the prices are? So I go from that to chatterbox to that to chatterbox. You know, no. I'm just talking to you and from my living room to yours, and we're discussing. That's why we have lots of comments from our viewers. Whether you're a subscriber or not, about 65% of you are not subscribers watching this channel, and that's okay. We thank you so very much for watching. If you want to subscribe, hit that subscribe button, watch these videos all the way through. It really pushes that algorithm. Monday's video, thanks to you, my viewers, did really, really good. we're climbing back up on views. We're going to see what this one does today. Monday, Wednesday, Fridays, Saturday, and Sundays when we post, everybody. So let's move on to rhodium. $7,825, guys, on rhodium. So let's look at, let's go ahead and move on to our Hong Kong Mumbai. I'm going to go ahead and refresh this because, you know what it does, right? And yes, my allergies are in full force this morning. And my ADHD. It's hump day, guys. I woke up to live another day. So we got to thank our Heavenly Father for that, everyone, that we wake up every day. And we pray for those that are having difficult times waking up. So here we go. Let's move on to Hong Kong, Mumbai, and the UK. All right, well, I had to go let the puppies back in because they were madly barking at somebody at 4:30 in the morning. So we're back. So Hong Kong, $4,124 on gold and $59.85 on silver, everybody. Silver up 6% since the start of the market on Sunday night, guys. 6%. Will it hold? Will it hold on? Will it continue to rise? Will we push that $60 mark again? We busted over the 59 resistance. They always set resistance at certain numbers when things go down. Are we started for another bull run for this year? And I think we are, but there's some things that I'm going to talk to you about that I think we may not be rising much more. Mumbai, $4,126. Silver, $59.68. Gold in London, $4,119. And silver, $59.50. So what is the gold to silver ratio, guys? And as my buddy Mike, with Mike's Coins, he'll always tell you, excuse me for my nose, that when anything over 70-1 on the gold to silver ratio, it's time to trade for silver. And anything right at or below 60-1 in the 50s, it's time to trade for gold, everybody. And I agree 100%. And can you play that market? You absolutely can. It's a normal thing to play that market, especially if you have plenty of silver to play with or plenty of gold to play with. I've done it myself. The gold to silver ratio was 101-1 at one time, and I took gold and I went and I traded for silver, and I got a lot of silver. And then I've traded silver for gold here recently, although it probably wasn't the best ratio. Mrs. SSC wanted some gold, so we did trade for a little bit, and we bought some. And we bought a ton of gold nuggets. I think the gold nuggets, we've added up over an ounce, I think, of gold nuggets so far. Got a whole bunch of them to come in today. And then we'll be showing some on Super Copper Silver Sunday. Might as well call it Super Copper Silver Gold Sunday in pickups. So the gold to silver ratio right now, 69.38. Gold is dropping out big time towards silver. Silver is finally coming back. Will silver continue to rise? Let me talk to you about the oil prices and the dollar. Silver right now really technically should be going down with big oil prices almost at $85 a barrel, everybody. It is crazy. The Strait of Hormuz thing with the U.S. and Iran is really driving the energy prices up. The cost of living is going to go back up once again because of the energy prices. And, that's what's driving that right now and driving the dollar. And right now, the dollar, which I think is totally falsified, just like the price of silver, everybody. The price of silver has been manipulated for a long, long time. It's getting to the point where, with the deficits and everything, if you listen to a lot of other big channels with real good um, folks on gold and silver that own mines that produce silver, that produce gold, they're telling you, it can't be manipulated much longer. Silver's so undervalued, but the dollar, U.S. dollar right now is 101.12. So why, why is this happening? Well, we're going to talk about that. Why is silver going up? Why is gold going up? Let's go to our base metals right now. Guys, copper shot up to 615 from 608 when we reported on Monday. And so we're at 615 a pound. Not, we don't see that per pound thing on minted copper. Minted copper is becoming more and more popular. And I'm going to tell you something, everybody. We're going to tell you something. All you copper haters, all the big boys that know way more than you and way more than me and way more than all of us are talking about copper. And guess what they're specifically talking about? Copper, silver, and gold. Not silver and gold. Copper, silver, and gold, guys. Copper is a huge future. And as I am not stacking as much right now because I'm concentrating on silver and gold, I have a ton of it. Not literally, but I do have a lot of it in the form of incredible bars and rounds, guys. And, we're going to keep doing it. And I've got some coming. I'm just not stacking as much as I did. I will go back to that once I get to where I need to be at my silver and my gold, guys. But nickel is at 765, copper at 615. 765 on nickel. It's kind of down. I think it needs to be over 8, so it's down. It's actually today, it has done nothing. But aluminum is at $1.43. It's up like 1 cent since Monday, right? So, hump day. Just remember, everybody, what is a byproduct of copper mining? That's right, silver. Silver. So if there's a shortage in ore quality, bad mining, mines not opening for years and years and years, and cost to open mines, guess what happens? Silver becomes a shortage also. Silver's in a massive shortage. And it's causing the price of silver to stay where it's at and rise because of the shortage. Eventually, the paper markets can't keep up with it. What's going to happen on July 24th? Mike and I talked about that the other day. And, hey, we're 2 days away. What's going to happen to gold? Is gold going to steadily go up? Is it going to rocket? Is it going to really weird out the market? We're going to find out, guys. But at least China's starting the paper elimination. So green lights are on right now for copper, silver, and gold, especially silver, guys, especially silver. So the current tariffs, the 50% tariffs slapped on Canada have risen silver, especially silver, up about 6% roughly. And it's at 5 to 6%. Right now, we're still holding at 59.34, over 59. We broke that 59 per ounce resistance, everybody. And the tariffs, I believe, are the big issue right now. I don't think if we had the tariffs were gone, I think silver would have continued to go down some more. But the tariffs, things like tariffs drive the inflation, and it drives central banks, investors back into safe havens like gold and silver. And the covered goods right now are a ton of things. We do have precious metals in jewelry and art that are part of the tariffs. So you know that silver's used in jewelry. We got gold used in jewelry. And that is helping to drive the silver price up. But they did not tariff raw critical minerals such as silver and gold and copper and all that stuff. So there's no really tariff slapped on those things. So I do believe, and this is speculation, okay, or just a future thought. I don't think that we're going to stay on this tariff for real long. It's just another play by the United States for fair trade, everybody. And I'm sorry that happened to you, Canada. Yeah. we got lots of viewers in Canada. Sorry that the U.S. slapped tariffs on you, but it's a big game once again that all the countries play against each other. And guys, it's part of the trading system. It's part of the trading system to create income for all countries, right? For their goods and services and their products and everything. In the old days, it was called trade. So they would bring tea over from maybe London or whatever. And of course, you know what happened there. And they would trade for other things. And the U.S. trades for stuff. China trades for stuff. Canada trades for stuff all over the world. Since, the times of Jesus, there has been trading for goods and services. People paid their taxes with when they went fishing and they caught a load of fish. They paid their taxes as, bartering, trade. So I don't think that the 50% trade tariff is going to last real long. Will it really drive prices back down if those tariffs are lifted against Canada? It just depends on when they're lifted, what time of the year, our oil prices, if they go down, if the U.S. dollar goes down. If the U.S. dollar goes down and the oil prices go down, wow, silver and gold will stay and will continue to rise and be bullish instead of bearish. But right now, we're kind of bullish this week on silver and gold. Gold being over $4,100 an ounce, and it dropped down $3,900 an ounce, guys, and here we are, $4,115 right now, and silver at $59.37. So let's make sure you comment in the comment section, everybody. Will silver and gold continue to rise this week? Will we end up ahead of last week's ending in silver and gold? Will it happen? What's your guess? What do you guys think about the tariffs in Canada? What do you guys think about how long these tariffs might last? What do you think about when the tariffs go away? What will happen to silver and gold? Will we drop back down? We busted over that 59 resistance. Now 60 is next, everybody. 60 is the next resistance. 60, I think it's 60 and 61. So what is going to happen if we hit that resistance? Are we going to keep going up or are we going to go down? Guys, on the silver that I bought, I'm almost breaking even on the 2-week silver pickup that we bought. We're a couple bucks away, I think, on that. And Mrs. SSC shut me down. I said, okay, we bought enough for the month. And even though I want to buy more, I want to have some more 10-ounce Engelhard bars. I do have Mike searching for that, so I'll probably do that. We will probably buy another one of those, probably another 10 ounces this month, and then be done for a little bit because we got to pay for a vacation. And Mrs. SSC, while we're out in the Caribbean, wants to buy beautiful sterling silver necklaces and bracelets and rings. I don't know what to say. Women like their jewelry, right? And they like their copper, and they like their silver, and they like their gold and platinum, and chocolate. So, if you're a new viewer, this is what you get, guys. We do Rattlebox quite a bit, but we have fun doing this, and it's just a blast. But what do you think? Seriously, the 50% tariffs on Canada driving silver and gold up? How long is it going to last? When's it going to stop? Your guess is as good as mine, guys. I'm going to do probably another giveaway for fun. maybe, I might do it this Sunday, do a cool giveaway for fun. I mean, what the heck, you know? That's what giveaways are for. And we've got viewers sending us stuff for giveaways to use. So, you know, hey, pay it forward, right? Give back to the community, give that back to people. I mean, whether it be silver, maybe gold, and copper, everybody. So we'll think about that. We'll talk about that this coming Sunday and this coming Saturday. I might do it. And don't forget, not this Saturday, but the next Saturday is the Mustang Coin Show. I plan on being there for a while. So if you're local, come out to Mustang Coin Show. Check out the coin dealers. Check out Mike's Coins. Well, I'll be with Mike. We'll be sitting with Mike. Come over to Mike's Coins. Let's meet, talk just like we do right here, just like this, and shoot the hoot. And maybe Mike will have some silver bullion for sure, and plenty of it. He might have some cool. I know he's got some really cool bars and stuff. I think his art bars are really, really cool. And we'll see what he has a week from this Saturday, everybody. A week from this Saturday, Mustang Coin Show, Mustang, Oklahoma. I'd love to see you. So let's finish up. And then I got to think about going to work. So right now, 4,114 on gold, silver at 59.27. Green lights are still on, everybody. Silver's going up. It's still a great buy, although the bullion price, or not the bullion, but the ASEs or American Silver Eagle prices are still 20 to 25% premiums on a lot of bullion sites, everybody. You want silver eagles? You want silver bullion? We need to talk to Mike because he's probably one of the cheapest around. And, if you buy on the bullion dealers, they're going to charge you freight. You buy from Mike, it's going to cost you some freight too. But still, way cheaper than everybody else. So everybody have a great day. It's hump day. It's hump day, guys. It's been a busy week for me at work. Had one of my viewers come and see me yesterday. Jimbo, thanks for coming by, Jimbo. And hopefully we'll see you at the coin show. And of course, we saw Mike Monday. We saw Mike Monday. He swung by, brought me some cool silver bars, everybody, that we're going to show this Sunday. So everybody have a great hump day. Heavenly Father, thank you for what you have provided for us, this home, our water, our food, everything you've provided for us, and let us concentrate and thank you for the 80% that you have given us and not the 20% that we seek. So everybody have a great hump day. SSC right here, Oklahoma, United States, America. Clicker in hand. Is it going to work? I'm out.